Alright, science time. So, want to figure out how to make decent bookmarks or decent screenshots so we can science. Basically, find your target, warp to the target, just warp to it at 0. Don't worry about the rats. They're a non issue. Basically, just shoot over there. So a bunch of this bullshit. Landing. Then what I do is go like this. Even if there's rats here, just fucking click in a direction and ignore them. Find that, move that, zoom in, move around, zoom in. Oops. And then just kinda anchor it like that. Take your screenshot, get what you need, boom. And then you tab over. I'm sure you can't see this because it's not showing it, but boom. Put it in the science thing like that. Fucking good to go. That's all that's needed. Well, now you know how to make bookmarks. Or bookmarks. Fucking bookmarks. We're making screenshots. And this is the bar we want. So like this one's maybe, fuck, this is not even worth 100 mil. Not even. But like I said, we can do better science and get better accuracy the more of these we have and can compare. So there you go. Go fuck yourself.